Okay, first thing first, we are gonna weed out the Marilyn, and I can save some of this, so let me do that first. I gotta make sure I'm extra careful not to cut off the stencil. So and I ended up cutting it off anyway. Hopefully it didn't mess it up too bad. Okay, so once I get this weeded out, I will show you guys what it looks like. So this is what I have. So the part that I kind of cut off is on this side, and it was just some hair, so it's not that bad. But yeah, so let's get this on the shirt. Right where I'm gonna put the stencil. And I'm just gonna place my stencil right where I want it. And it's like dead centered. Okay. And yeah, this is gonna be really nice. Alright, my easy press is set for 350. And I'm just gonna set it on there and start the timer for 30 seconds. Okay, we're gonna let it cool off for a second. That's kind of bumpy. Hopefully we can get this done in one pass. Let's try to peel it up. Okay, we might have to I'm gonna have to iron on again, but this time probably not for 30 seconds. We'll do 15. Okay. Trying to let it cool down just a little bit before I try to peel. As I see, peeling is gonna be my struggle. So I'm gonna peel it up slow because I still have some areas that's not even fully down on the shirt. Next time I'll use a cookie sheet because it seems like it's stuck. This is almost like a sticker or something. I think I'm supposed to peel this type of vinyl when it's hot. Ooh, I'm scared. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is get the cookie sheet, put it on top of there, and we're gonna iron. I'm gonna leave the iron on there for 30 seconds and hold it down. Maybe 5 seconds without the cookie sheet. Okay, you guys, this is our final product. The pieces that were coming up with the stencil paper are ironed down. I shouldn't have an issue with it. And the parts that I had cut off, it doesn't even look bad. You can't even really tell. So I'm really happy at how this turned out. This is my personal shirt, so yeah, I'm not even upset at all. The shirt is from T-Shirt Max, is the Gildan brand. It's the online wholesale store. It has t-shirts, hats, everything. So that's where I get my t-shirts from. And the vinyl is from the Heat Transfer Vinyl Warehouse, I think it's called. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Marilyn Monroe is just somebody who I like her quotes, like the things that she said, even though she doesn't have the best reputation. But yeah, so I hope you guys like, subscribe, comment, leave suggestions on what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.